Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll see how we can generate a detailed insight of executed test case in UiPath Test Manager. So whenever you are having a set of test cases, you are regularly executing it. If you want to see the detailed analysis or detailed analytics of your executions, probably you can generate it with fraction of seconds without writing a single line of code. So UiPath Test Manager is giving you flexibility to generate these type of insight in real life, and which you can utilize it even for further enhancement, for further executions, for tracking your projects, how much capable enough, where if you are planning for the productions or productions deployment, here you can add your thoughts, and based on that you can move it for the productions activity. Let's understand how we can do that. You need to have the UiPath autopilot enabled for this feature. If you have not enabled, probably you have to request it, or you can opt the licenses. Once this is added into the UiPath test managers, you will be able to successfully proceed it further. Now, if you want to directly generate the insights, navigate into the test result from UiPath test managers, and from here you will see the all executions are listed. Whichever executions are here, which you can see it available. Now, to generate the insight, straightforward, select on generate insight, and from here we'll have three options: from last 30 days, last 15 days, or last 7 days. I want to generate for all 30 days, last 30 days. So here it will take some time for the processing, and once this is generated, we have this notifications added, or you can see the detailed analysis here. This is the process where you can generate it. And whenever you want, you can rename it as per you the selected name. And just wanted to show you some of the insights which I have generated in the past. Now, let's consider you have several test cases executed earlier, and you want to see the stats, how much percentage are passed, how much percentage are failed, what is the exact status of each and every test cases, how you can improve the test automations activity. This is the page where you will get the detailed stats on it. Let's consider the overview. The overview is saying the overall failure rates across all test case executions was found 19%. I mean 20, almost 20%, which is very high as a part of failure rates. So if you are targeting to achieve low rate, probably you have to ask your test automation developer to make a perfect suite available, or perfect automation, so that it will run accurately. That executions will be captured again, and over there you can see the differences. If it is improved, that's good. If it is again going down, or failure rates are more, probably it will be headache for you. Now, the high severity errors occurred 18%. It means total errors, out of total error, 80% are from the high severity, which is again for concern, right? So medium severity errors occurred 64%. So 7 test cases are got fails. Low severity is 18%, which is 2 of the errors. Now, when we are talking about the test sets, here you can also get the link. So test sets UWA7 had a failure rate of 55%, where you have to focus more, because it is giving a detailed stats for us, where we can target more to correct our code. Next, out of 9 executions, 5 times got failed, which is 55%. So this is also giving the numbers, which is making yourselves to be accurate, and wherever you want to speak with your team members, you can highlight all those pointers. Now, UWA46 had a failure rate of 100%. So out of 1 execution, it got failed. So it means 100% failure rate. Are the top failing test cases, which you can even get summary of it. Common errors, which type of errors you can expect within this executions, again, which is giving you a root cause analysis, where You can ask your team member to work on it and fix those issues. Site freezing or crashing port submissions, so which you can even see it in details. See this. Now, if you want to just open test cases, open test executions, everything is available in front of you, which is very nicely generated detailed stats where it is giving you a flexibility to work within your team and try to get it accommodated or get it fixed quickly. Now, here common errors are button non-responsive, wrong success message. So this is not only giving the errors related to the code, this is also giving the errors related to your projects. So projects are also important. Let's consider your button is not working. That's the reason your code is failing. That's the reason you're getting a failure rate. So that you can quickly fix it or ask your development team to see the stats and fix the our UI. Error patterns, which type of error patterns we are getting, that is also described here. Recommendations, recommendations for the or suggestions for the fixes, like fix the delete appearance of success message by optimizing the color of message display. Address the non-responsive of the button by reviewing and improving the button's event handling. Resolve the site phrasing and crashing post submissions by conducting a through performance and stability analysis. So these are the recommendations from the UiPath side of it. If you want, even you can download this complete report, which could be shared among your teams or which could be shared within your external stakeholders, where they can analyze it and try to fix the code as quick as possible. UiPath detailed insight of executions is helping you to remove all the errors which is appearing inside your applications, and this is generating a detailed stats. This is also helping the business team to try and fix it or get the detailed root cause of any test automations which is failing again and again. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle, and your feedback and suggestions is really useful for me. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, as well as don't forget to add your feedback and suggestions in the comment sections, which will be utilized for further improvement. As well as if you have any topics in your mind which you wanted to learn, feel free to add the topic names. Based on the demands, I will be happy to come up videos on those topics. Thank you for watching.